Differ is a market strategy company. We work with all growth or revenue or top line or demand side things. We work with innovation of offerings. We work with transforming frontline processes. We help our clients optimize their customer base. We design customer experiences in today's digital world. And last but not least, we boost brands. And in this area, we've developed a model to quantify the value of branding in influencer marketing.
In order to measure brand value, we set up an initial framework, and the first two steps are that marketing efforts drives awareness and liking. And awareness and liking are two common components when measuring brand strength, but we also believe that awareness and liking drives relevance, propensity to buy, and price premium.
Influencer marketing creates value in two ways. The more obvious sales value, but also there is a brand value in there. We see brand value in reach, there is brand value in engagement, there is brand value in action, and there is brand value in conversion. We designed an approach to determine the value of the branding. We started out by creating a framework and some initial hypotheses. After that, we devised a big data gathering survey, which we used to not only validate the model, but also actually to create the brand valuation model. And then we applied it to the two different cases that we see. The 5-step model, where we see brand value as realized in the moment of sale, and the 4-step model, where we see brand value as realized throughout the process.
So now that we know there is a difference between these groups, we need to set the value for this. Then the value for the first group is found by using an anchoring point. The anchoring point is compared by doing a benchmark for traditional media, just using different cost per views for ordinary marketing efforts. And by setting that value to $1, we can determine the value for the next groups, which are higher. So if the first group is worth $1, the next group is worth slightly more, $1.2. And this increasement goes to the last group of worth $1.8. And the increasement of this value are based on our survey.
So now we know that influencer marketing creates not only sales value, but also brand value. And we know how much. We know that another 15% compared to the sales value is actually brand value. So on top of the sales value, we have 15% more of value created in terms of branding. Either in the 4-step model throughout the process, where we can quantify each and every step's worth of branding, or in the 5-step model, where we can add another 15% to whatever sales value we see.